Today we are proceeding with the session with a new topic, which is arithmetic mean. So in 10th you have done till sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. This is an extension of the topic arithmetic mean. Now mean is a term you are aware of. Okay, if there are two numbers which are given to you and you want to find the mean value, then we can add both of them and divide them by 2. So this is when only one mean is to be evaluated. A mean of two terms is to be evaluated. We will learn how to insert more than one mean between two numbers. Okay, let us first define what arithmetic mean is. Okay, which numbers will be termed as arithmetic mean. Suppose you are given two numbers A and B and these are n numbers. Okay, see, look at the subscript 1, 2, 3 till n. So you can make out these are n numbers and these are n numbers which are inserted between them. So between A and B we are going to insert these n numbers. Now see what the sequence will be then. First number will be A, then we will insert all the n numbers and then the last number will be B. So this is a sequence which is in arithmetic progression. So in such a way you have to insert these numbers so that this sequence becomes arithmetic progression. So if the sequence becomes arithmetic progression, then these numbers have got a special name. That name is arithmetic mean. So these are all arithmetic means. N arithmetic means between A and B. So what will be maintained here? Because these are n arithmetic means, so this sequence is an arithmetic progression. That means if you take difference of consecutive terms, it will come out to be a common difference. Okay. Now see, because this is an AP, say the common difference shared by them is D. Now let us first see how many terms are these. If you look at A and B, these are two terms. And how many terms numbers we have inserted in between? N numbers are inserted. So if I start counting these are n in number and two more numbers A and B. So the total numbers in this AP comes out to be n plus 2. These are the total number of terms in this AP. And the last term is small b. Its position is n plus 2. That means we can write T n plus 2 or n plus 2th term is equal to B. Now using the formula for general term, Tn plus 2 can be written as A plus n plus 2 minus 1 into D, which is equal to B. A we can shift to the right side. This we can simplify. 2 minus 1 will become plus 1. So it is n plus 1 multiplying with D, which is equal to B minus A. Hence D can be obtained as B minus A over n plus 1. Now the common difference is known to us. See, these were already the given numbers. And with the help of them and total number of means inserted, these are n in number. If I know all these three things, then the common difference can be evaluated. And once you know what is the common difference, you can quickly find the values of these numbers which are inserted or these arithmetic means which are inserted. See, A1 will be A plus D. So you can put the value of D here. A2 will be A plus 2D. Put the value of D again here. You can find A2. In the same way, AN will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So you can put the value of D here and simplify. So this is how, knowing the two terms and how many numbers arithmetic means are inserted between them, the common difference can be evaluated, which can help you in finding all the terms. See, now this is what I explained you earlier. If only one arithmetic mean is to be inserted between two numbers. Let us quickly go through it. Then we'll take a question. It says, let only one arithmetic mean is to be inserted between A and B. Suppose I use the notation capital A for that arithmetic mean. So we have only three terms, small a, B and the arithmetic mean between them. So A, small a, comma capital B. This will form an arithmetic progression. Okay, only if you are inserting arithmetic mean, the sequence will be in arithmetic progression. So this is arithmetic mean. That means these three numbers are in AP. Let us find capital A then. Capital A will be small a plus common difference. And how do we write the common difference? We have just now derived. It is b minus a divided by n plus 1. N denotes the number of arithmetic means you are inserting. Here only one arithmetic mean is inserted. So it is 1 plus 1. So this becomes 2. So take LCM. Twice of a plus b minus a over 2. 2a minus a will become a, then plus b divided by 2. So if you are inserting only one arithmetic mean, it will be sum of the two numbers given to you divided by 2. Okay, now let us take one question based on it. It says insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26. So small a is 8, small b is 26. And between these two, you have to insert 5 numbers such that the resulting sequence is in AP. So what are these 5 numbers? They have to be arithmetic means because they are already saying the sequence is in AP. So let us name the 5 numbers as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So these are 5 arithmetic means between A and 26. As I explained earlier, B here is 26, A is 8 and number of arithmetic means inserted is 5. So D will be B minus A over N plus 1. Substitute the values of B, A and N. D comes out to be 26 minus 8 divided by 5 plus 1. So 26 minus 8 is 18 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So 18 over 6 gives us the value of D, which is 3. So common difference is known. Now we can find all the arithmetic means. A1 will be A plus D. And what is A? A is already 8. D we have just now calculated. It is 3. So A1 is 11. A2 will be A plus twice of D. That means 8 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Which means it is 14. And A3 will be A plus 3D. Which implies A3 is how much? A plus 3 into 3. That makes it 9. So it comes out to be 17. Can you see? A common difference is getting added to each. So it is not necessary every time you write this expression and solve. We can quickly do A4. A4 will be 3 more than this. 17 plus 3. That is 20. And A5 will be 3 more than the previous arithmetic mean. 20 plus 3. That is 23. So what are the required numbers? Therefore, required arithmetic means are 11, 14, 17, 20 and 23. You can very well see if I add 3 to 23, you will get B, which is 26. From 11 you subtract 3, you will get the first given number, which is 8.